Recently, I haven't had the courage to always show up on camera. I don't know, maybe I am tired of constantly being online, or maybe I am craving for a slower and quieter life.
Welcome to Australia!
Hi everyone, welcome back. For those who are new here, my name is Apple and I'm currently living here in Adelaide, South Australia with my husband. So we moved here after spending 2.5 years in Sydney. Matagal-tagal din tayong hindi nagkita dito sa YouTube. I think it's been 2 or 3 months na talagang wala, tahimik lang ako. And even on my other social media, hindi ako masyadong nagpo-post. Once in a while, yes. Pero I'm not active katulad ng dati. Kagaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, I feel like maybe I'm craving for a slower and quieter life. A life where I don't feel the need to explain everything. Yung life na peace feels more important than productivity. And this change in mindset did not happen to me overnight. It's more like a process na slowly unfolding itself, and then all I have to do is realize it. And we moved here in Australia on a student visa 3 years ago. Meron kaming goal, primarily to survive the student visa, which we know is very challenging. And secondly, to grab whatever opportunity that may come during our postgraduate visa. And then along the way, most of the people that we met here in Australia have common things in mind. That is to secure a permanent residency and then become a citizen eventually. Some are going through a lot to make that dreams come through, and they are willing to do everything talaga, everything it takes to make it happen. Australia is a good place for such a goal. Living standard here is better and the wages will satisfy your needs and wants. But if you're not careful, you will find yourself in a situation na you have taken care of everything, pero hindi ang sarili mo. Minsan mararamdaman mo talaga na exhausted ka na and you feel burnout at work. And this actually happened to me and got me thinking na, am I doing this to myself unconsciously? A few months ago, I decided to stop working full-time. I took a break for a few months and now I started working casually instead. For some people, that may sound risky or impractical. Sayang naman daw kasi na wala naman kaming work restriction at nandito kami sa Australia. So, mas maganda siguro kung unahin daw namin ang paghahanap ng sponsorship para makapag-stay pa kami ng mas matagal dito sa Australia. Honestly, my husband and I are no longer interested. Yes, you heard it right. Hindi na kami interesado na mag-stay pa dito ng mas matagal. After working and living here for more than 3 years, we have a clear view of what kind of life is waiting for us here if we stay for good. And what we saw is a mixture of good and the bad. And this is just based on our point of view. We found ourselves choosing between two different lives. A comfortable life but constantly paying for it, or a simple life which we already earned. Honestly, mas matimbang sa amin ng buhay na simple pero malaya. Ito yung realization namin. Success, like happiness, is subjective. Success isn't always about earning more money. Success for us is having freedom over your own time. Success for us is having peace of mind. Success for us is waking up without constantly feeling exhausted. Success is independence. And this season of our life feels like a reset. A reset from hustle culture, a reset from always chasing the next thing, a reset from living too fast. And slowly, it's also changing the way we see our future. One of our biggest dream now is to eventually go back to the Philippines for good. Hindi dahil sa marami na kaming pera o marami na kaming ipon, but to live simply and mindful. Ngayon, pangarap namin na someday pag nasa Pilipinas na kami, we grow our own food, living slower, more time with family, being close to nature, and creating a life that feels meaningful, not just easy. I know life may not always go according to plan, but right now, this slower path feels like right for us. By the way, I'm keeping this channel to serve as a personal documentation as well as to communicate our thoughts and experiences to anyone who is in the same boat. So if you are facing a crossroad in your life right now, remember this: you're not alone. Thank you for watching.